All right, we're cutting straight to Tirumala Temple Laddu controversy with the SIT team now arriving at Tirumala for inspection into 4 mills and other areas. We know that the Tirupati Laddu controversy has now reached court. The court is all set to hear a bunch of petitions and pleas regarding this matter. And while that's said, the Andhra Pradesh government has already given a call for probe by a special investigative team, and that team has right now arrived at the Tirumala Tirupati temple, where we understand 4 mills are going to be investigated. Inspection is going to be carried out along those areas. Do remember that the lab report that came in of the laddus from Tirupati temple claimed that it was adulterated. There was a mix of fish oil, of pork fat, beef fat that was used to making those laddus. Basically, it was part of the ghee, adulterated ghee that was used to making of those laddus. Huge storm that it's now kicked up with an SIT team, the Andhra Pradesh government that's now been formed. They've launched an investigation. They're currently carrying out inspection, and those are the visuals coming in right from the Tirupati Devasthanam. Let me cut across to Apurva Jayachandra joining us for more on that. Apurva, please tell us more on the SIT teams probing, investigating and inspecting 4 mill areas there. How important are those areas? What are they looking for?
Well, Nabila, not only is the SIT team now investigating into, all possible areas where the prasadam is being made. In fact, they're also going to flour mill, rice mill and several other areas as well, which, have a warehousing kind of area where all of this necessary raw materials needed, be it the rice, be it the grains, be it flour, whatever is needed, all of these are well stocked there in the warehouse there. And from there, from these warehouses is where all of these materials, as and when requirement is needed for making the prasadam, they are being taken and carried out to the Laddu Potu where it is being made. So that's where, all of these areas, the SIT is going ahead and conducting their inspections. Just the last 2 days, we also saw how several people had, several teams, members of the SIT had been conducting investigation, be it, at Nellore or other areas as well. We're also getting to learn that during the last 3 days, there had been several meetings that had been held with the executive officer and the other board members of the Tirumala Tirupati Devasthanams. This apart from their, inspections here at Tirumala, they're staying down at Tirupati, but they are conducting regular inspections at Tirumala at various places where there were ingredients stored. They're checking into the books and logs of, what had taken place over the last 5 years under the former Tirumala Tirupati Devasthanam board. So all of these inspections are being carried out as we are speaking. Today, the SIT team right now is conducting their inspections at the flour mill, rice mill and other areas there at the Tirumala where there are warehouses there, and they're also inspecting all of these areas to see the quality and the standard of the ingredients that have been brought and stored.
Do stay with us. Apurva, we're going to come to you as and when. We know that the court at this point has taken up a bunch of petitions, pleas today with regards to the Tirupati Prasadam adulteration row. In fact, as we see, the Supreme Court is all set to hear this matter today. Petitions seeking court-monitored investigation into the investigations levelled by the Andhra Pradesh Chief Minister Chandrababu Naidu regarding the use of animal fat and fish oil in preparing laddus at the Tirupati temple. Meanwhile, the state government's SIT team is in Tirupati currently to probe prasadam quality and inspect ghee being used in the Tirupati laddus.
Tirupati, we have come here yesterday. We have conducted our initial meetings, and after that we are preparing our action plan. Accordingly, we are going ahead.
हमको सावधान रहना चाहिए। ऐसे सभी लोग को जो हिंदू नहीं है या हिंदू धर्म में विश्वास नहीं करते या ईश्वर खाली नाम के लिए हिंदू हैं, उनका ईश्वर विश्वास नहीं है और हिंदू धर्म मानते नहीं हैं, उन सबको उसमें हटना चाहिए। संगठन में से ये एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन है और इस तरह का जो हुआ है पाप कर्म, वो हटना चाहिए।
All right, so we see that the pleas are right now seeking court-monitored investigation into the allegations levelled by the Andhra Pradesh Chief Minister Chandrababu Naidu. He has directly taken jibes at the YSRCP chief, Jagan Mohan Reddy, claiming that the sanctity of the temple has been compromised because the government did not care for Hindu rituals and, of course, the Hindus' faith that they have in the temple, the prasadam, where, as we see, the Supreme Court is all set to be taking up this matter today. India Today on top of that story.